Hey friends, how y'all doing? Today I've got this cute little project. This is going to be a fun little easy thing. This is an alien spaceship glow-in-the-dark shaker card. It's going to be so much fun. So I have here the little spaceship in two pieces, and this actually coordinates with the rocket ship luminary that I did. I'll show you a picture of that later. And then here's our alien. He's in two pieces too. I did this in black glitter, and that makes his eyes kind of glow. Really cool. Love that. And this extra piece actually came from right here in the middle. I kept it because I think you could put it behind the alien if you wanted to and make it look like he's in deep space, or you could just have the red background. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, so I'll keep that. And this is what creates the shaker card part. I have some really cute little tiny glow-in-the-dark star-shaped glitter that I'm going to show you here in just a minute. And that's going to be really fun. Some of the tools that we need. I'm going to use this Zig two-way glue, I think, to attach the acetate. This is a little piece of acetate to the back of this blue spaceship part. I have some foam tape, which we're going to need because we need to give a little bit of space for the glitter to shake around in there. And I probably will use some of this Barely Art glue. I really like this. Maybe need some tweezers. So there's a variety of things here. But I'm thinking that this Zig two-way glue is going to be the best for this part. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go around. It's got a nice fine tip, and we can put a nice little generous layer of this glue all the way around the opening here. Good thing about this they call it two-way glue because it works wet or dry. It's kind of blue. I don't know if you can see that. Goes down a little blue and then dries. But at any rate, it sticks when it's wet and it sticks when it's dry. So it's kind of cool that way. Now let's take this little piece of acetate, and we're going to just lay this down, and I'm hoping this glue will hold the acetate. And we'll just give it a little burnish, get a good adhesion, hopefully. And we're going to set this aside to dry. So there, now we have acetate right here in the middle of the spaceship opening. Next thing we're going to do is glue our alien. Now, I sometimes have trouble getting glue to stick on glitter paper. Hopefully, oh goodness, it's been a while since I used this. Whoa, hopefully I can get it out. I don't know. Need my pliers. Don't tell my dentist. I just used my teeth. Okay, so anyway, like I was saying, I sometimes have trouble getting things to stick to glitter, so I'm going to... Oh, hopefully this didn't dry out. What? Oh, good. We'll just put bunch of glue down on our little alien. I may have to stick this pin in here again. Try to get that to come open a little bit more. Oh, I am really not happy with this glue. It's been a while since I used it, so it should come out. The pin's going all the way in there. Oh, there we go. I got it. That's plenty. So yeah, we want to make sure that our alien pieces are going to stick together. I like this Barely Art glue because it's nice and easy to clean up if you get any leakage. Okay, so let's put this together as close as we can. There. Oh, isn't he cute? He's a friendly alien. He means no harm. Fun, fun. Okay. Now, I'm going to want to put him on the back here. So he shows through. Just going to run a little bit of glue along his bottom here, bottom edge. Oh dear. Well, that leaked out, but it's supposed to dry clear. I guess we'll see how that works. Do you see what happened? We'll see what happens. We're going to need to run this around the opening. And create a little bit of dimension. So I want to carefully just kind of bend this around. I don't want any gaps because I don't want my stars, my glitter, to escape on me. Just try to go around in a circle as best I can. Not showing through the opening if I can at all help it. And then pull this tape off. If I can get it. Where's the end? It's right here. There it is. Okay. Some days, things just don't go smoothly. Okay. Whoops. Make sure we got it all off. Okay. Get rid of that. Now we can lay down the second layer. I think I'm gonna overlap that a little bit. Just go around and around. And this will be good. I think this will be enough space for the glitter to shake around a little bit. It's tiny. It's tiny stuff. Okay, here we are to the end again. And I want to get it pretty close because I don't want any glitter to pop out. Okay. Now I'm gonna get my glitter and sprinkle it around in here before I lay the back on, but I'm just wondering if I need to put a little pop dot right here. I'll use a little of this tape. We'll just put it on the back so he stays up away from the back. Yeah, that'll be good. Okay, so here we are. We have our little alien with the tape on the back, and let's try pretty clear. So we can decide now if we want to put this blue behind him so it looks like he's out in deep space. And I kind of like it with the red behind. I think I'm gonna just go with it like this. And I have my glow-in-the-dark glitter. These are tiny little things that are star-shaped. Looks like there's enough for 3 or 4. Shaper cards here, depending on how full you want them. And then I also have these little star shapes that came from my rocket luminary. And I don't know if these red ones are going to show up too well against the red background, but I'm going to put them in there anyway, just for a little bit of variety. So let's open this up. Let's open up this package. And figure out how we're going to do this. I'm going to turn this over like this. And just sprinkle some of this stuff in here. I don't know exactly how much I want, but I think it's going to be cool because it's glow in the dark. That might be enough. I had plenty. Ooh, there. Let's try that. And then these are going to go in upside down. Well, they'll be right side up when we look at the front of the card. I'll put a couple of these in. And they should just slide around in there. There isn't a whole lot of room for a bunch of stuff, but we can try, can't we? That's the fun of crafting. We just try stuff. Okay, so now I have to pull off this tape. Can. Where does it start? Right here? Yeah. Go carefully because I don't want my little tiny stars to go crazy everywhere. Pull off this tape. Oh, there we go. And we'll just take this and lay it carefully down. Try to line it up as best we can. And press. I'm going to press all the way around here, because this is what seals the glitter in there. Let's see. Oh, yay. Oh, it's off a little bit. Let's see if we can. See what we can do. I might just trim that with my scissors. There. So, just like that. Little shaker card. And let's give this a little trim. We don't have to worry about it too much. And what? This little bit here. Ah, no worries. Shake it now. We're gonna have to check it out in the dark, because these are glow in the dark. I'm gonna let them absorb some light, and then we'll check it out with the lights turned off. But anyway, that is such a fun little project, and it was so easy. And we've got some stars floating around in there. Some little stars and some bigger stars. Fun, fun, fun. And I hope that you have fun making this as much as I did.